Cap station installation teaching. Turn the cap station upside down first. Use a 5mm inner hexagon screw off these two screws. Install this U-shaped iron plate in the opposite direction. You can adjust the height before the screws is tightened. Just keep it level. After installation, turn the cap station over again. Unscrew these two screws with a 3mm inner hexagon. Install this alignment board now. Do not tighten the two screws yet. Just keep the alignment board from sliding off. Find a table and fix the cap station on it. Tighten the screws below. Put on the cap ring. This groove is aimed at this iron block. Just press cap ring in. Turn the alignment board over. Align the alignment board and the line on the cap ring. If it's not in a straight line, you can move the alignment board left and right. Tighten the screws after in a straight line. The cap station is installed.